Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. Backwards half lemons are all about preparing us for backwards crossovers because we're approaching some really fancy footwork these days. Okay, so backwards half lemon, asymmetry. We're going to want to keep one leg nice and still whilst the other one is doing all the work. Now we say keeping that leg still, it's actually going to be holding a gently curved path. We've spoken about practicing on those lovely big hockey circles that are distributed in all four corners of the ice rink and even in the center. So use one of those, pop your foot on that and then use it as a train track. And our innermost foot is going to be following that train track, that hockey circle line. Then we can focus on how the outer foot is going to be skating that half lemon. So we turn our toes in and we're going to get pressure into the ball of the foot to send that foot round and then draw it back in closer. And as it comes in closer, make sure that it's slightly ahead of your gliding foot. Ahead meaning ahead in front of your chest and body space, your natural front here, okay? So we get that bend, we get that pressure around and drawing the foot closer back in line again, just parallel in terms of our feet. You see that? That's parallel feet, but with one foot, that pushing foot still slightly ahead. Why is this? Because if we're going to be pushing ourselves along, we need to make sure that that energy is going away so that it's going to send us in the opposite direction. If I unfortunately have my feet too much one next to the other, I might end up with my lemon or half lemon going around and behind my standing foot, which is actually going to do the opposite of everything I want. It's not going to help me to move and travel. It's more likely to make me spin around on one spot. So very important here to get that slight ahead of you feeling that we're pushing away that foot for that backwards lemon, half lemon, around and slightly ahead of you and then back in, all whilst maintaining that nice posture into your circle.
Set up on a circle as a guide. Arms out, chest and face pointing into your circle. Maintain soft, bended knees as you work on the shape and directions of your backwards half lemons. We'll know we're getting our best work when we have a lot of stability and stillness in our weight-bearing side and all of the power and movement occurring in our pushing side.